Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, central Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sycamore, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Maple Park and Virgil around 8:50 p.m. Elburn and Lily Lake around 8:55 p.m. St. Charles around 9:05 p.m. Geneva, North Aurora and Wayne around 9:10 p.m. Batavia around 9:15 p.m. West Chicago around 9:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include South Elgin and Burlington. This includes Fermilab. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The severe thunderstorm warning for